Hello everybody, this is Don Limited here tonight, and we're going to talk about a Sears Craftsman cordless drill, roughly from 2005 or 2004, maybe even earlier. So, let's, instead of getting into nitty gritty about it, let's just get down to the meat and potatoes of the topic of tonight. So, enough said, let's take a look at the case. Actually, it's a nice carrying case. You got a nice grip handle here. Nice hefty plastic Craftsman case. What more could you? So, you got these cheap plastic latches here. This one actually came with an owner's manual. It is a model 973.11 or 111 471. It's a 13.2 volts. Originally, this batteries in here had so many crystals built up on them that 5 minutes into using them, you lost your charge. So, let's get down to it. So this is what your 13.2 volt Craftsman battery looks like. These are just your typical NiCads. And that's battery number 982032-001. Yes, it's made in China, Sears Roebuck Corp. That's what the charger for this looks like. Your typical power supply here, class 2 transformer, and so this is what the drill looks like. You get a convenient lanyard to put around your wrist. This is what the battery and how it sits. This is what the drill. It's got that kind of classic-y 90-ish chuck like you saw in some of the earlier Sears Craftsman industrial drills, and before slightly. You got your typical reverse switches here. In the middle is the lock. Then you got your chuck for different screws and different applications. No, I would not recommend this for doing any concrete work or anything like that, or anything industrious. It's just your typical drill in the wood, drywall, plastic. Another interesting feature that comes on this drill, they got a level here, so you can actually see how level you're drilling. And you got your typical clips here on the side for drill bits like your Phillips or flat or straight blade. So let's get down, put this over here, and we'll move the case. Put that over here. So now to the fun part. Now we're going to give this drill a little test. And yes, folks, you can still go to Sears these days and get a lot of tools at Sears. I know the one in Green Bay, Wisconsin is dying out right now. But Appleton still has one, and you can still buy Craftsman tools at Ace. So, we will get down to the chase. That actually works quite nice. I definitely would recommend this drill driver to anybody that's looking for something kind of older but yet reliable drill for handy work around the house, or even a building maintenance person for a church or municipality that just kind of needs something for quick 5-minute jobs. So you got your different yes, this truck does slip, but every truck like this, you almost need the chamfered bits if you don't want them to slip. But it is what it is. Any drill will slip. It's as long as you have the correct bits. And so this is just a DeWalt titanium gold drill bit that we're using in tonight's video. Kind of goes along in this collection. Actually, there's only a few drill bits I got. Whoops. That was accidental. That was not planned. So, I'll put this back where it belongs. And thank you, as always, for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment.